Good afternoon guys, on this lovely sunny day. I'm currently at Peasholm Park with my little boy. We're just taking a wander around. Yeah, so just thought I'd show you some of the park. The other side of it is closed because they're actually filming, they're actually doing naval warfare around there. So here's some of the park. It's actually a full-blown nature park that we have here in my hometown. It's definitely the land of Aphrodite-hathor-venus' daughters and Nature Nymphs, as at UPG. And it also definitely is the park of Aphrodite, with her being a nature deity also.
Hello, duckies. Duckies.
Yeah, I'm really grateful, for the deities every day for this park. Yeah, I've always wanted to film down here. Be careful, darling, don't go anywhere near the water or you're falling in. Yeah, it's a big tree that we have there. This is only just some of the park. As you can see, her beautiful sun rays are shining down. And I also see Eros Hero Cupid, Coloris Flora, and Aphrodite-hathor-venus is also ruling alongside her to do with the sun. And we have our own little water fountain. We have a few actually. But I can only film like this side of the park because further up they're actually filming, well, not filming, but they're actually doing naval warfare up there, so that part of the park is closed. It's definitely Nature Nymphs and Aphrodite-hathor-venus de Milo down here.
Yeah, there we go.
I'll show you the other little fountain that we have up here. Darling, Marek, little Cupid, come up here. Don't know whether you'll be able to see it, but I'll do a little bit of ASMR for you. A little bit of meditation. It is fairly quiet with this waterfall, so just allow the sounds of the water just flow through you. Many worries that you have get washed away.
It's bubbles.
Yep.
It's bubbles. Can you see bubbles?
Yeah.
Oh, these duckies are so cute. These good baby duckies.
There is. Beyond any worries or cares to the deities that you work with.
Let's go home, shall we? Let's go home, shall we?
Yes, soon. Try to do a little bit of a meditation for you guys, but obviously I do have my little boy with me. Yes, soon. So this is just some of the park that we have called Peasholm Park. It's full nature park that we have in my hometown. This is what I do thank the gods for, as well as for the seafront that we have. I am planning on to do a ritual to Aphrodite-hathor-venus de Milo down at the seafront. Mary, don't do that, darling. down at the seafront. It's one of my plans. So there you go, guys, just a few of the bit of view of the Peasholm Park that we have. It's definitely an Aphrodite-hathor-venus and Nature Nymphs. So as a UPG, I see them as her daughters. As you can see, it is beautiful. Alright, guys, I will thank you for joining me on this nature walk. If you do like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to hear more from me in the future. And I hope you have a wonderful, bright, sunny day. And God bless. Bye, guys.